Hi, today I'm going to be talking about educational goal options and some college terminology that you might not know if you're an entering student. So, what is your educational goal at Solano? We have a variety of options. We have a certificate, an associate's degree that can include transferring to a four-year or going on to a job. And also we have opportunities to learn and update your new job skills. What is the difference between a certificate versus a degree? The certificate, which is usually 18 to 24 units, focuses on a specific topic, your major, a focused area. So you're only taking courses that are of one subject area versus your degree. An associate's degree, and especially if you're going on to transfer, will include your major courses, which are some of the same courses you might take if you were only doing a certificate, plus you need to do general education, which is a variety of different courses combined with your major courses that will allow you to then transfer to a university or college and get a bachelor's degree. This is usually around 60 units. One class usually is around 3 to 6 units depending on the type of course, whether it's science or maybe English or psychology, and we'll talk a little bit about that next. So what does it mean when I say GE or general education versus major? Your major courses are that focus area. So for example, psychology majors would be taking a variety of courses in general education, but their psychology courses would be the core courses as part of their major. And it's usually something that they would take as a prerequisite if they were going to transfer. So you would take some courses related to psychology, again in this example here, but then if you were to transfer on to a four-year, you would also take a lot more psychology courses there. General education is a variety of different courses, a little bit of English, math, history, sociology, a whole variety of courses that would be up to your choosing for the most part. That would be similar to things that you might have experienced in high school versus, again, the major course would be focused around one area. Now, when I'm saying units and course loads, what am I talking about? So as a full-time student, when we say you're taking a full course load, what we are meaning is 12 or more units, usually 12 to 15. If you're a part-time student, it would be less than that, somewhere between maybe 6 or 9, all the way up to 11 units as a part-time student. Again, each class is around 3 to 6 units depending on what type of course it is. What you have to think about is for your own personal situation, how much time do you have during the week to be able to study? So if you're taking 12 units, you have to anticipate not only the amount of class time, but also your study time. Class time is approximately equal to the number of units. So if you have a 3-unit class, you are in actual class time for approximately 3 hours. If it's a 5-unit class, you are in class for approximately 5 hours. Then you need to multiply that by 2 to really get a sense of how many hours you might need to study. And of course, different classes will be a little harder or a little easier for yourself, which may mean you would need to devote a little bit more or less time to that. You would have to decide that on your own. If you have any questions about what this means, units, loads, certificates, degrees, our express counselors are available Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 1, and Monday through Thursday, 4 to 6, 5 o'clock in summer and when school is in session. You're welcome to call us at 707-864-7101. We also have a real-time chat at the website listed below, solano.edu/counseling/ecounseling.php, that you can also ask quick questions from. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.